Okay, so we're going to find these limits on each graph, and we're going to plug it in here and here. But then when we plug it in, we have to make sure we're going to multiply the limit of the f by 2 and the limit of the g by this -3. Okay, you ready to find it?
Yeah.
Here we go. So the limit as x approaches -1, wait a minute. This had a minus sign, but this one doesn't have a sign. So what does that mean? So from both sides, okay? So we're going to look at x equals -1 on the f graph. So which one's f? I don't see it. So I'm going to walk over here to move my thing down. Okay, so here's my f graph, and this is -1. And what's the limit as you approach x equals -1 from both sides? -6. So you're going to write down -6 here, because that's the limit as x approaches -1 of the f function. -6, right? Do you have that there?
Yeah.
Let me go show you where it goes. Okay, -6. Oh, my desk is a mess. Okay. Now we need the limit as x approaches -1 from both sides. Show me with your hands from both sides. From both sides, like this, yeah. From both sides. From both sides, x equals -1 of the g graph. So which one's the g graph? And we look at x equals -1. I know it's a little blurry, but you have it on your paper, right?
Yeah.
So as we approach -1 from both sides, the limit is a y value. What's the limit? The limit is a, good, but one is wrong. -1. And what's the limit? The limit is always a y value. Everyone say the limit is a y value.
The limit is a y value.
Look on the anchor chart over there. What's the first thing at the top? It says in beautiful cursive.
The limit is a y value.
The limit is a y value. Good. So right here, the limit as you approach -1 from both sides is -1. -1. Okay? So now let's order of operations. We're going to multiply before we add. So 2 times -6 is -12. -3 times -1 plus 3. And final answer, -9. Yeah? Okay, you try example C.